Hey guys, how's it going today? cryptoFOXXY here, and thank you guys so much for stopping by the channel. So in this video, I'm going to talk to you guys about AI and big data. We've been losing some market capitalization over the last little bit. I'm going to give you my thoughts, let you guys know what I think could potentially happen. So we're going to talk about that in this video. Let's talk about it. Smash the like button, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on X, wherever you're watching this. Stay up to date on your cryptocurrency news. I cover AI and big data on the channel all the time. And I'm going to continue to do so because it's a sector that I absolutely love. So AI big data tokens lost a whopping 4.69 billion in market cap over the past 3 days. That is a really big number, and that is a ton of market value. So our favorite altcoins and AI tokens have been dropping drastically because of geopolitical factors, like I've talked about yesterday, regulatory concerns, setting a bearish tone for the start of October, which we know October is usually a pretty good month for crypto. We've seen the charts, we've seen the comparisons, and it is normally we have a bit better, a bit better of a start to a month. But last year we also started off fairly rocky. I do recall that. I recall that we didn't really see the uptick in October until probably mid to a little bit later in October, around the 20th or so, and then we just absolutely started flying from there. So just macroeconomic stuff just not cooperating with us at this moment, but that could potentially turn around. Ongoing global conflicts are something that has been really plaguing us the last little while. We've had the Russia and Ukraine war, we've had unrest in the Middle East, and now Israel contemplating attacking Iran again. So we don't really know what is going to happen here, but hopefully if some of these things can settle down a little bit, maybe we can get back to a little bit of normalcy. I hope so, just in not only in our case but in their case as well, because that's an absolutely awful thing to have to go through. So governments around the world are continuing to develop some frameworks for regulating digital assets. And this is also scaring participants in the market as well a little bit, because they don't know what's really going to happen. Stricter rules could come into play, and they could be starting to enforce more actions. So historically, October has been known as Uptober. You've probably heard me mention that quite a few times, and other people as well, due to the typically strong performance seen during the period. And AI tokens are still performing better than they were back in July. So this is highlighting a degree of resilience in the market, because these tokens are still up from their midsummer levels, suggesting the sector could be well positioned for recovery once broader market conditions improve. And coming back to some of my favorite altcoins here, ASI or FET. So FET, I've seen a lot of people saying, well, how come FET's losing so much market cap or so much percentage compared to other tokens? Well, because if you recall, FET had a dramatic run up in the last month or so. And, the ones that run the hardest usually fall the hardest as well, but then they also come back fairly strong. So that's what I'm assuming is going to happen. That's what I'm waiting for anyways. I think that, FET is not going anywhere. ASI is not going anywhere. This is the biggest AI alliance in crypto, and they're not going anywhere. If you're really bullish on AI and big data for this bull run, you're going to want to at least have some exposure into FET or ASI. That's not financial advice, but at least look into it and at least do your due diligence and see if it's right for you. But strong growth over the past year, driven by increased interest in artificial intelligence and decentralized data solutions, is making it so that it's more resilient. We know the AI narrative is huge this bull run, so that's pretty much what I think too. Like, this article really kind of talked about a few points that I wanted to talk about, so that's why I'm referencing this article here. Due to their potential to transform industries such as healthcare, finance, and data analytics. So that's a few of the different sectors that AI is looking to improve. The current downturn may present a buying opportunity for long-term investors who believe in the future of AI and big data on the blockchain space. So this could be another opportunity for people to get in a little bit cheaper. If you kind of missed the last dip, this could be a potential to get in a little bit cheaper, although it might not be as cheap as the last dip that we saw. So could the market conditions stabilize? Absolutely. AI and big data tokens would bounce back, in my opinion. They're not going anywhere, in my opinion. AI and big data are here to stay. I think we're going to see them lead the majority of the next bull run. We're going to see a ton of these tokens pop off, and there's going to be a lot of happy people, in my opinion, in the AI sector. So I'm just waiting for that to happen. Let's jump over and take a look at some of the price action here on AI and big data. I'm just going to refresh this here so we get the latest. So let's jump over to, we're going to take a look at our 7-day chart because it kind of gives us like a broader outlook here. So we see some of them are in the 20% losses. Some of these I've actually been following here. You can see the stars beside them there. The ones that I'm either invested in or looking to be invested in. So this is presenting to me some opportunities as well, and I'm going to be buying this month for sure. I have a couple of things for my house that I have to take care of, and then I'm going to be putting a little bit more capital into some of these projects. But we can see here, so FET down 15%. That's not too bad considering some of the others are in the 20 plus percentage range. I think it's staying fairly well in this $1.30 range. So it's nice to see. Hopefully we can kind of keep around this area. Don't lose too much more market capitalization. But if we do, it just presents more opportunity in my opinion, because I think this thing is going to run hard. But that's what I got for you guys in this video. Obviously none of this is financial advice whatsoever. This is just me telling you guys how I feel about it and what my opinions are. Obviously, I think that AI is going to be the biggest sector in the bull run. So that's what I'm banking on in my, that's just what I'm doing. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. Thanks so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace.